The idea of the piece started from wanting to celebrate this beautiful strength that women have. That wasn't enough for me. I wanted to find a way, how can I put it into a subject, into a context. So I started to think more how that referred to my culture, that I come from Italy. One thing that I came across was women in mafia culture or mafia society. Women in mafia, there is a stereotype to it, and I wanted to sort of like get rid of the stereotype and actually show that those women have got strength. I didn't want the women to come across as victims of the mafia. They fight for it to change. So I started to look in stories about those women, so real life stories, which are really hard to find actually, because not many women break that vow, which is called omertà. Literally means in Italian a code of silence. It was really interesting to see how I brought all this context and material that I found to the dancers and see how they respond to it, because I didn't want them to represent those women on stage. I didn't find it fair on those women, because they haven't lived in this society, so they don't know what it means. I wanted to use it as a source of inspirations for us and for the performers to generate and create movements. For audiences, what I'd like them to go away with is either for them to make them curious about the subject and about the context of the work. I think it would be an engaging piece of work because there is a powerful music, there is a powerful dancing, there is water on stage, there are a lot of elements that is not only dance that the audience can relate to and access the piece of work.